In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Ps5 controller to PC with Steam. We'll walk through getting Steam ready to recognize your controller, then plug it in for a reliable, zero-latency connection that also charges while you play. Start by opening Steam on your PC. In the top left, click the Steam menu, then choose Settings. In the sidebar, select Controller, and open General Controller Settings. This is where Steam input lives, and it's what gives your Ps5 controller its advanced features in supported games. In this window, check the box for PlayStation configuration support. That tells Steam to treat your DualSense as a first-class controller, enabling things like button remapping, custom layouts, gyro aiming, touchpad input, and adaptive trigger effects in games that implement them. If you want broader compatibility for older or less specific titles, you can also check generic gamepad configuration support. That one's optional, but it can help when a game is expecting a more traditional layout. You'll notice a section for detected devices in that same window. Leave it open for a moment so you can see your controller appear once it's connected. Now, let's plug it in. Take a USB-C cable and connect the USB-C end to the top of the Ps5 controller. Plug the other end into your PC, either USB-A or USB-C depending on your port and cable. Windows will automatically detect the controller. You'll usually see the light bar illuminate, confirming it's powered and recognized. This wired method gives you the smoothest experience, virtually zero input latency, which is great for fast-paced games, and it charges the controller while you play so you don't have to worry about battery level during longer sessions. If you don't see the light turn on right away, give it a second. Detection is typically quick. Using a good quality, data-capable cable helps ensure everything is picked up properly. Switch back to the Steam window, and under Detected Devices you should now see your controller listed. With PlayStation configuration support enabled, Steam input is active. That means your games launched through Steam can take advantage of features like gyro for precise aiming, the touchpad for menus or cursor control, and adaptive triggers where developers support them. You can fine-tune layouts per game in Steam's controller settings later if you like, or just jump right in. Most titles will map the inputs automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching.